Hey everybody, welcome to Nelson Ridge Farm on a beautiful Tennessee day. My name is Brad. Thank y'all for coming. Hey, we've had some terrible weather here in the last couple days, unlike today, which is beautiful. Tiny little breeze, so I'm sorry about that, but a lot of our neighbors had some pretty bad damage. Trees down on their houses and their garages. We had one tree down across our driveway right here. I'm going to take care of it. We could drive around it, but I'm going to run and take care of it right now. Let's try the old 55 Rancher. I believe that's a good time for some exercise. I think we just need fuel. 440 on the backup. Here we are, old dead. I guess that's an oak, looks like to me. Just had no more roots to stand up. I'll make this for our firewood, so I won't even measure it. I'll just give my best guess, and we'll bring the splitter up here soon. At least I'll get it out of the road today. Yeah, I started to cut with the old 55 and it bogs down. It dies when I hit the gas. So we'll go with the backup right now, and I'll try to retune the old 55 later, see what's up with it. Okay, pretty easy work there, no problem. Hey, Lacey's dad's got a couple of branches down, no damage over there. I'm gonna ride down there and see if I can pull those out. I think he's down there working at the barn. I still got my earplugs in. I'm sorry if I'm yelling. I got a little tiny rope in here. I'm gonna try to, I don't even have a hitch on. All right, I got a little rope in here. I'm gonna try to strap up these branches and just pull them out of the way. If I can, I'll use one of Tom's chains in there. I might have to saw it. Let me, see what I can do. I didn't even see this tree down. I don't think it was down yesterday. All right, this is a cedar branch. I'm going to see how connected it is. I wish if it was just hung up, maybe I could pull it out with a chain. Well, I could give it a yank. Maybe it broke off from that one, and it is just laying there. I'm gonna try to pull it. If I have to get the tractor out, I will. All right, I don't know if any of that made it on video, but we got it up here. Got those cedar branches down and pulled up here. I'll go clean up the last little bit after I drop these off. Got a few little branches to clean up, but at least I got those down. And these pine tree branches. Now we're gonna do just a little bit more cleanup and go check on the other neighbors, make sure everybody's okay. Thank y'all for stopping by Nelson Ridge Farm today. Appreciate it.